Hey there, today we're going to be tearing down this PlayStation 1 system. From this down to this. Let's get started. Flip the system over to gain access to the 6 number 2 Phillips head screws that hold the case together. There's one here, 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 and here, here, and here. This is also where you identify the version of your PlayStation 1 system, right here. Flip the system back over and slide the top cover off. So we'll focus on the top cover first. There are 4 number 2 Phillips head screws that you need to remove. One here, one here, one here, and one here. And be careful, as they are under spring tension, so they may try to jump out before you're ready. Now to release the buttons, you just have to push in the tabs on each side and they should just pop out. And there is a spring on the power button, so make sure not to lose that and keep it with it. And don't forget about the DVD indicator as well. And be careful with high voltage electronics and capacitors, as they can hold a charge for more than an hour after being unplugged. So if you just had the system plugged in, you should probably wait a bit before working on it. You can now unplug the power supply connector on both ends, just by wiggling it back and forth. Remove the 2 number 2 Phillips head screws securing the power supply on. Here and here on the power supply connector. Unplug the ribbon cable for the memory card ports and controller ports. And you can remove it from the cable tie. Remove the 2 number 2 Phillips head screws securing the ports on. Unplug the 2 cables connected to the DVD drive. Then simply pull up on it and remove. There are 4 number 2 Phillips head screws holding the metal shielding on to the motherboard. Here, 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 and here. Then simply pull up on it and remove. There are 4 number 2 Phillips head screws holding on the video ports to the plastic casing. Here, 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 and here. You can now pull the motherboard as well as the shielding out. And that's it. Let me know down in the comments below what system you'd like to see next. Hope this helps.